You won't start your journey in the church and end up in a shrine. You won't start with Christ and end up in a cult. He has put your feet on the rock to stay. No devil will pull you down. In the name of Jesus Christ. There is nothing you touch that will not work. As you maintain a quality walk with Jesus, everything you touch will keep working. That shall be your testimony. In the name of Jesus. When you are 70, you'll be stronger. You'll be more passionate. You'll be more passionate for Christ. You'll be more committed to His cause. In the name of Jesus. So shall it be.